Kimchi, the greatest food.
It's a quiet afternoon. Pororo and his friends are playing in the playground.
Hi, guys.
Huh? Loopy. Hi, Loopy.
Good to see you. Let's have a party at my house tomorrow.
Huh? A party?
Wow, that sounds fun. Also, when you come, can you each bring a dish?
Sounds good.
Let's show them our skills. Oh, I'm going to show my skills too.
Petit, you don't have to bring anything. Right, guys?
Of course.
Huh? What? Are you saying you don't have faith in me?
No.
Just wait and see. I'm going to bring the best dish.
Petty.
It is the next morning. Petty is making food for the party.
Oh, I think it's finished. Why does it taste like this? Oh, they're going to make fun of me again. This is when I wish I had a magic wand. Oh, Tong Tong!
What? You want me to use magic to make a tasty dish?
Oh, please, I'm begging. I can't go to the party like this.
Okay. As long as we're doing it, it may as well be tasty and good for you.
Really? You're the best!
Ta-da! Kuri tong tong tong. Kuri tong tong tong. Come on out. Yep.
Is this it?
Let me try again. Kuri tong tong tong. Kuri tong tong tong. Come on out. Yep. It's in here.
This time it worked, right?
Of course. Just take this, and everyone will be so surprised.
Thanks, Tong Tong.
I wonder what food is in the clay pot. Pororo and his friends have gathered at Loopy's house.
You all brought some food, right?
Yes! Krong and I baked some cookies.
Wow.
It looks good.
Hey, we made some taffy.
Roddy and I made strawberry-flavored drinks.
Wow, everyone did a great job. But what are you holding there, Petty?
Oh, this? Don't be shocked. Inside is something that tastes awesome and is good for you. Whatever. You guys.
Well, what could it be?
Hurry up and show us.
Ta-da! Let me show you the greatest food there is.
Huh? What is it?
It smells a bit weird.
It's really red. You said it tastes good and it's good for you.
That's right.
Well, that's... What should I do?
Hey, isn't this kimchi? Petty, you really did bring something that's tasty and good for you.
What? Oh, this is good for you.
And tastes good?
Kimchi is a traditional Korean dish, and it's good for you. Lactobacillus protects us from bad bacteria, and the spiciness and sourness is really tasty.
Wow, I see.
But it tastes a bit spicy. I have a good idea. Yummy, yummy! Cooking Princess Loopy! Yummy, yummy food and healthy recipes. Happy, happy Cooking Princess Loopy!
Wow!
What is today's dish? Ta-da! Kimchi fried rice! I fried up some kimchi and rice.
Wow!
It smells good.
Great! Let's try it.
Let's eat. It's yummy.
Loopy, is this really the same thing from before?
It's not spicy.
Of course. It's fried rice made from Petty's tasty kimchi.
Petty really is the best. You guys, that's not what you said earlier.
Thanks to Petty, Pororo and his friends were introduced to kimchi, which is both tasty and good for you.